Alright, what's up everyone? We're back with another video. Let's see, we just scrapped Daddy. So in this video I want to talk about what's missing right here. My wife did that one. And this one I just noticed was gone. Zoom out a little bit. So I had purchased a set of mud flaps on Amazon. They were cheaper ones, and I think they're only $30 for the set, because I ordered the Husky ones, these ones, for my white truck, and I've had them for on this truck about 2 years, no issues. These ones both broke, and I think my wife backed into something with that, but I can't see her doing it because she would have bent the exhaust or something. So, and as you could see, like, if you don't have mud flaps and you live on a dirt road, and with these trucks, you know, trying to keep them from rusting, look at the splash. It's all over the door. It's even hit the bottom of the mirror. You know, and you turn the wheel a little bit, and I mean, these tires aren't even that, they don't stick out, and they're not that knobby. But I also want to show you, look what it does to the underside of your cab. So it just blasts salt, grime, and everything underneath. So you get chips, the paint wears, you know, stuff gets in those holes. You start to get little rust spots. You see them little holes? You know, you start to get little spots. You know, same thing in the back. It kicks it up all over it. So we're going to be installing a new set of mud flaps. So let me go over here and show you. These are the ones that I had bought. They were cheap Amazon ones, no name. You know, obviously made in China. And you can see a little bit sprays up still, but it keeps a lot. Let's look underneath. Keeps a lot of the stuff cleaner. You know what I mean? Compared to the other side, and it drove on the same road that I parked it the other day when it was raining. Now in the back, same thing. Keeps it all from kicking up. So we're going to take those cheap ones off. And I purchased the same ones I had on the other truck, which were the Husky mud guards. They come with all the hardware. They, you know, they're no drill. They have the little insert you put in and the screw goes through. So I'm only putting these on the truck, and shouldn't take me long. But we'll see what they look like when I put them on. And little upgrades like this to the truck, you know, keeps the grime off them, keeps the salt off them, you know. And it's a lot easier to clean when you pressure wash if there's not a lot of stuff caked. You know, it's easier maintenance to clean. So as you can see, this truck's pretty good. It's a 2013 and very minimal rust underneath. Only a couple little spots where those holes are. But I mean, this truck's 10 years old already, and I think it'll last easily another 5 years before there's any issues. The frame is good on it. So alright, I'm gonna put these mud flaps on today, and it's kind of a crummy day, so I ain't got much going on, so figured I'd put this little video out. So alright, so we got the back of the truck done, mud flaps. There's a little hole here. I don't know if I'm supposed to drill that. They say no drill. They came with those little push clips. These guys you put on the thing. I should have cleaned that better. I'll go to the car wash tomorrow. I'll spray it in there. But they're a lot sturdier. The other one, I touched it like this, and it just snapped right off because it was brittle plastic. These ones, they give a little bit of leeway and bend. I might drill and put. It also gave you a protective thing here to put back here to protect the paint. Which is a nice gesture, but I'm not going to use it. I had to put the jack under the hitch to lift the back of the truck up a little bit. And all you need is a little stubby screwdriver. This little guy worked pretty good. Now the front ones don't have, I guess the clips are already in here or something, because the front ones didn't come with clips. They just came with bolts. So just turn the wheel so you can get some clearance. Could probably use the drill if I want, but probably not. So let's get these installed. See, they come with these big screws with washers and stuff. But yeah, it's pretty simple. Like I said, it's a nice little easy mod to put on the truck to keep it clean. Alright, I got this side done. It was harder taking the screws out that I put in than putting these in. I gotta probably put a little hole in there. I might not. They seem pretty solid. Just like I said, turn the wheel. They go right on. Now I want to show you this one. That one I changed in the back. Now I touched this one and it broke. Like, see, it's pretty solid. It just snaps. Like, there's such brittle plastic. Like, I know it was only 30 bucks for both. I mean, I paid, I think, 89 for the Husky ones. These ones I just bought. Those ones are complete crap. I didn't even push on it that hard. So like, if you backed over something or a stick or a log, or if you're going off road or something and you got too close to something, like these ones, I've had these rolled up on my white truck. I've had them rolled right up and they bounce right back. They're really, they're plastic, but they're really rubbery plastic, so they have a lot of give to them. But you know what they say, you get what you pay for. I've also tried WeatherTech. Overrated in my opinion. Like, I think they're $100 just for the front set, and they're now better than these. Alright, so 2 things in conclusion. One, try not to buy cheap stuff, because it comes back to bite you in the ass. Like, I should have just ordered the ones I wanted. You know? And the other thing is you know, you get what you pay for. So, you know, I've used this brand before. I've never had a problem. Had the truck jacked up. I gotta put this down. But like I said, this is a quick, it didn't turn out to be a quick video. I just, you know, when, you know what they say, when you have the time, you don't have the money. When you have the money, you don't have the time. So I want to be doing some little bit of upgrades to both trucks, being that that's my primary work beast, and this just I've been using a lot more lately just to combat fuel prices. But I've been slowing down a lot. I haven't been doing much scrap metal. So, I mean, I hate this time of year, going into December. Terrible time of year, but just wanted to show a little upgrade I did to one of the work beasts. So, I'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully this week I'll have something good to film. I feel like the last couple weeks I haven't really gave you guys nothing but just repetitive stuff. So I'm trying to like expand what I'm doing. I mean, hopefully it'll start snowing. I can start doing some snow blowing videos and other stuff. I mean, I'm running out of like things to do, like content wise. I might have to start spending some money here to start touching different things. But you know, if there's anything you guys want to see, leave it in the comments. I know nobody's probably gonna watch this video to the end, but somebody oughta. I was thinking about putting a cold air intake on this, ordering one of those. They're about 300 bucks. Maybe get a tune for it. It's what I've been planning on doing for a while now, but I just didn't have the time. I mean, I don't want to spend any extra money going into winter, but all right, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, guys, and let me know what you think, what videos you want to see. I mean, I've been really slow with the scrap metal and clean outs. So my business wise has been really slow lately, so trying to get some other content going. But all right, I'll see you guys in the next one.